found an Ethan butterfly? What does that mean?
Cause
What colors are they?
they're green.
What else?
Green, blue, and green, and blue, and pink, and blue, and green, and purple.
What's on your shirt?
Stars.
What's underneath your sweatshirt? What happens if you unzip it?
A zipper.
What's underneath? What's on your shirt under there? Can you unzip?
And Kim, please help me.
You can do it. You're doing it. And what do you have on there? What's on your shirt?
Alligator. Like a zip.
Yes.
I said